Hi friends, let me show you this new Pets hair dryer and blower that I received for reviewing purposes. It is aimed for dogs and cats, mainly when you bath them, so you are able to dry their hair very comfortable for them, okay? You get 5 different nozzles, let me show you. This is the actual air hose. You can groom your pet with this one. First, it has a gripping anti-slip base, so it won't move when you fix it to the floor. Then you have a different strength and different temperature, so you can get hot air from the unit, okay? Let's connect it easily. And this is your handle for the hose. We are going to use this one, okay? It is a corded unit, so you have to plug it in. Okay, so you turn it on and you have different strengths. You see? Really, really strong if you need it. You can blow away your pet's hair in your house, in your backyard, in your lawn, whatever you want to blow away dirt or hair. Okay? And you can have it heating the air, okay? So you'll get hot air from it if you want to dry your pet, okay? These 3 nozzles are aimed for your pet's most wet hair. Then, when it's about 70% dry, you can use this comb kind, so the air will get through all the hair of your pet and dry it out. And when it's basically dry, you can use this curved one to, fix it better in your pet's body. Let's try it. So first, you could dry your pet's hair with this one. We're blowing away water and dust and everything. Okay? Then, when it's almost dry, you can use this one to comb them. Okay? Like this. And when it's almost dry or dry, you can use this one to perfectly dry it, okay? As you can see, it's a perfect accessory for keeping your pets dry whenever you wash them and to, get everything away from their hair. Dust, water, or any other contaminant they could have. So it's a nice equipment. It's really powerful if you need more power, and the air can come in different temperatures. So depending on the weather and your pet's tolerance, you can use different temperature air to dry them, okay? And as you saw, you can also use this to blow away any kind of dust, hair, or whatever you find in your home. Perfect. If you have pets, if you are used to bath them in your home, this is a great accessory to help you to dry them whenever you need it, okay? Finally, every once in a while you want to clean the air filter, depending on how much you use it. It's really easy to do it. You just unplug it here and you will clean this part. This filter also, you could even clean it with water. You just have to make sure that it's really dry when you put it on together. And this is the other filter. So you have 3 different filters that you want to clean whenever, when you have used it for a little while, and you want to have it really clean without debris, okay? So, really nice accessory, really useful, really easy to clean, and really nicely sized. Thank you very much.